Hey everybody, J&A Review, and today we're at Great American RV right here in Tupelo, Mississippi. We haven't seen one of these yet, and we don't know a whole lot about it, but we're going to do it either. A Grand Design Serenova, model number 150HL. So let's get started. The length on this Serenova is 20 foot, 2 inches. The dry weight is 4,538 pounds. The GVWR is 5,400. Now, we don't have a hitch weight.
No, but it's generally about 20-25% of your overall weight.
Yeah, so maybe we can find some more information on it. We'll put it down in the description.
Conservatively, we're going to guess between 400 and 500 pounds. But speaking of hitches, if you are interested in a trailer hitch lock or information about it, just hang around to the end of the video. We would love to share some information about proven industries with you.
Now, I will say on this unit that the cargo capacity is only 822 pounds.
Yes, so this is going to be for getting away, not necessarily taking everything with you.
Well, your propane is back there. I can't
It is
back
there.
I'm not going to disassemble everything.
Cute little cover. It is going to have the BAL electric tongue jack and right there, so yeah.
And I'm trying to put it back in order here.
Coming down here on the side, let's take a quick look in here. This is where your connections are going to be. You're going to have just a little bit of space right there that you could store something if you needed to. You've got your one of your pull handles under there. This is single axle. Dump area is right there, easy to get to, and you do have a sewer caddy. And you're going to have to help me with these slides. They're not Schwintek.
No.
But they're not rack and pinion.
Slim rack.
Slim rack.
I'm sure somebody watching could have told us.
Probably.
Tankless water heater.
Yes. You've got a hitch down here. This is going to be for a bicycle rack, not for towing.
Got a little bit.
And then you've got a cute little area right here that you could put a little bit of stuff in. Hey, they give you a light in there, so there you go. We do not know the awning length on this one. Looking at it, it looks to be about 9 feet.
Yeah. Hopefully we can have more information.
Propane quick connect is going to be right there. And there's going to be some storage here at the front. Alright. You can probably see your solar panels right up there. So let's go inside and take a look.
Yeah.
Now, right here at the door, it is spring in the south, so there's pollen all over everything. We think this is your garbage can. Not real sure. Okay, we're going to take a real quick look around, and this is a small unit.
Yeah, it won't take long.
So this one won't take us very long. Right up here at the front. Now, this bed area is really interesting. Right now, it's up in the sofa position. But if you look back here, this is going to be like the front of it. These two cushions will come out, and this whole section, you see there's a handle right there. It's going to pull out, so this is going to make about a full-size bed. I don't think it's quite queen size. You do have some storage up here. Huge windows.
We'll try to turn it down in just a second.
Yeah, so you got all these great big windows. There is power and USB, and then you have wireless charging, and you've got that on both sides.
You got these really cool shades.
I call these European shades. I don't know what they really are.
Yeah.
But yeah, there's privacy on the top, and then you've got day shades at the bottom, so you can do your combination of them. And then you've got these storage areas on both sides. Cup holders. More power, USB. Your heating is going to be in the cabinetry. It's not in the floors. So when you turn around here, you have got a,
What was that, a
looks like-
19?
well, I was going to say a 24-inch.
24?
But
Well,
yeah. Storage up there. You are going to have a single AC unit in this one, and it is not ducted, so it's going to be dumped directly in here because this is all open. You have some great storage here, really good drawers, and then some storage below, and your fuses are covered up.
all right.
Yeah. So, right here in front of your sofa slash bed area, you have got, oh, there's not a hanging. I thought there might be a hanging. But so you've got a cabinet area with some drawers. And then you've got this really neat pull-out area. So this could go either for clothing, or you can use that as your pantry. So that would make a great pantry area. Then you've got this smaller, I don't know that I have ever seen a French style this small. But it is so
That's
cute.
pretty cool. I like it.
I like it.
Okay.
Moving on into the kitchen. Again, you've got these really neat shades throughout. You are going to have an induction burner here and a convection microwave down below, so there's no oven in here. Now this does not have solid surface countertops, but you've got some great space around that. At the very back of your unit is going to be where your sink area is. So you've got storage here. There's a little open cubby storage right there. Again, heating is in the cabinetry. It's going to be a little bit of a smaller sink, but it is a single basin sink, pull down faucet. Actually pretty good counter space back here. So you have a plug-in, somewhere to put your coffee pot. And then you've got these two cabinets up above. And they open like airline cabinetry. I kind of like that. Moving into the bathroom. I may have to just hand him this because I don't think we can both get in here.
Come on in.
Well, okay. So you do have a mirrored medicine cabinet here that opens that way. Ooh, goodness. Yeah. Water heater control here, and that's probably not a good place to put it with a mirror. Then you're going to have a nice size sink, great area around it. Not solid surface in here again. And then you've got these little cubbies here that you're going to be able to, I guess you can roll your towels to put them in there. So there's not really a linen area in here. This does have heating again in the cabinetry. You are going to have a porcelain foot flush toilet. It's actually angled well, so you should have pretty good foot space in here for it to be a smaller unit. Okay, now Jeremy is 6 feet tall, so his head is kind of in the skylight in this one. And this looks to be maybe a 30 by
24.
24.
Yeah.
It's a smaller shower footprint, but it's a smaller unit.
Yeah.
So, but yeah, hey, if you guys are looking for
pretty cool.
something to pull with a smaller truck or maybe a nice SUV, this would be something to look into.
All right, well, I promised we're going to tear this apart. So put your cushions back.
Yes.
Here's your pillowcase.
Yes.
All right, we're going to pull.
Pull that out and fold that down.
All right,
And there's your bed.
here is your bed.
So, you can leave it in this position and have a huge chaise area.
Yeah. And then did we show these little side
I
pockets?
did on this side, but
Okay.
yes, you have it on both sides.
Wow, it's a different little. What do you think?
I think it's cute.
Yeah. All right, everybody, if you like this little Serenova, the dealership's information be down in our description. And like always, if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe, follow along with us, give us that thumbs up. Thanks, everybody.
J&A Review is excited to partner with Proven Industries to showcase their trailer coupler locks. Proven Industry makes locks to fit travel trailers, fifth wheels, utility trailers, boat trailers, and more. These products are manufactured out of high-strength, impervious materials. They come with a lifetime warranty, same-day shipping, one key for all locks, and best of all, they are made in the USA. Check out all of their products at www.provenlocks.com or find them on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram.